ยูไทยฮัมบพรองนิชิโดขนาไลดูเรดิโอกับชัม94.3 FM you have noticed the largest radio network and proud to be local so dinini Sunday divine ha now right down marmi camprai so the habuke studio how welcome khiladu hello
Hi Danvi ani gideni prang crib radio gapcha family ke ham joma customer ladu
and the ham marmi khud jani bari kisha jintine thashi thaigin khnari khala hamnamu
ani bari hala nadit jomo kona like crib mit do that ang ili acting ha involved jadu si buke haiger hi ani life iling giving happenings jadu na like ang free time ha gardening khaidu cooking book khaidu ode he once in a while ang trekking ba trip ya gajai ha bai golang ba ham jawdu but trekking ha specially because I just love going for trekking ang trekking ha thangbai ba adventures sa jawdu so iligo ani bari hala
so trekking and all it's quite interesting and how leading marmi ke shinanki puni first album first time slamjen bahan ning bide experience clay card so can you share it a little bit
ani first album slam bade uli duku de jaya kha bedit skala jini crew members raw butur ili support khai kha ore help khai kha especially jini director dada bulbodo ode ani co-actor nondi bodo baining bunchi angke encourage book khai ka support book khai ka oba shinya lo sa shibro angke uli ning support khai palangdu so yeah I'm very much thankful to them ode mare khaso hining ani first video album successful jaka
and ha marmi ke shingana ki ibu career ke skang langma nikli very inspire kleiba
ani khaila inspiration la soshbo dong do ya it will just happen so unexpectedly in my life
acha okay and chinini family full support klaidu ninke
yes of course ani family anke fully support klaidu
normally we don't say about our future plan but still then ang shinglanang ki what about your future planning
la dong bade bangbi
so it's a deep secret
but bede jai thaunang mitsia let's hope for the best
and ha marmi ke shinglanang ki about her upcoming project
yes there is an upcoming project do clay schedule complete ko once completed nishini radio gupshup ni through trip nebo mitsirina ode asa khlai du ki nishi anke duhalaining support klai nang ode hamjoma customer nang si
how she giris kabo don't worry angzang ode he jini radio gupshup dong ningza and all the best for your upcoming project nikhi so finally jini interview ke running jamri lana so I'm very much happy ke marmi dini jini studio hal bhai bani
thank you Ajay Danvi anke era radio gupshup halong ba niklai and for this beautiful conversation so I wish you and your gupshup family all the very best and success
so once more ani gidipang ode radio gupshup ni gidipang hamjoma khashoma riladu and thank you so much and stay tuned to radio gupshup 94.3 FM and we are
proud to be local
Juthai